Hi, Legal Funnel members. Hope you guys are doing great. I know we're in a tough time. The last week or so has been a time of uncertainty, lawyers not knowing how to deal with the situation. There could be closure of offices, not be able to meet clients. I know I was supposed to meet with my accountant today, and that got canceled. And I'm sure you guys are dealing with a lot of the same situations where you guys have to possibly cancel meetings and cancel any in-person client meetings, and dealing with running a law firm, and possibly thinking about how you can run your law firm virtually. So I did post a video last week about talking about this, addressing this, and I also posted 5 tools that you can use to be able to take your law firm and make it virtual, to be able to operate your law firm virtually. I want to quickly go over those, talk about the benefits of the 5. There's a bunch of other tools that I use that I use to be able to operate my law firm virtually. I just wanted to give you these 5, and if you guys like this video, I'll be able to make a video and create you 5 and give you guys 5 more other online tools that I use. So if you do get value from this video, just please like it and let me know. That way I'll be able to make another video for you guys of 5 other tools that I use to be able to run my law firm completely virtually. Even though I still have 2 offices, I still work from home to this day. So the first one is Zoom. I think it's the one that you guys are going to get the most value from. Zoom is a tool that you'll be able to use to have video conferences with either your potential clients, or with your clients, or with your team, with anybody. It's very easy. Once you have it set up on your desktop, you'll be able to, within 2 clicks, you'll be able to create a link that you'll be able to send inside of an email or a text to your potential clients or your team or whoever, to be able to have video meetings. It works out really great. I've tried out other tools, but Zoom is the best. The second tool is Slack. This is the best communication tool for your internal team. I've been using Slack for over 2 or 3 years now. At this point, I have about 40, 50 team members inside. Let me bring it up for you guys, show you guys inside. It has a lot of good benefits. It's pretty much like Skype, but much, much better. So here we have different channels. The channels are pretty much your groups, your group chats, and then you'll be able to directly message everybody in here. There's a lot more than the ones you see here. And then there's also, you'll be able to integrate apps. Let's just say I have Google Calendar every day. It sends me a notification to let me know if there's any client meetings that I have, and also integrates with Google Drive, so that if anybody shares anything with Google Drive, I'll be able to see everything here. And it also integrates with Stripe and PayPal if there's any payments that go in, and automatically notifies the group. If there's any intakes that automatically get filled out, you can integrate that, so that if somebody fills out an intake or something like that, it'll be able to notify the group. There's a lot of other benefits. It just makes it really easy. It's one central place for your internally to be able to communicate with your team. The third is Google Drive. All in all, I use Google Drive for everything. I use Google Documents, Google Sheets, Google Slides. I use all the Google softwares to be able to work on a document or on a slide or presentation or whatever with my team. If I need to make changes, it makes the changes. There could be I could have one document that even like 20 people could be making changes out and working on it at the same time. I actually use a Google Sheet for all my internal operations. I went away from using a CRM and I just use a very simple Google Sheet. The benefit of that is I'll be able to very easily filter out different things. Let's just say if I need to look up to see what's my #1 source of where I get my clients, as long as I keep track of that data, I'll be able to filter it out and look up that data really fast. The fourth tool is Mixmax, mixmax.com. It's a plugin for Gmail that lets you create templates and sequences for your emails. I was this past Sunday, I talked about this in details to our Legal Funnel students about this. You'll be able to use Mixmax to create templates and sequences to be able to, again, to be able to automate your email answering, and be able to actually use that to train your team to answer your emails on your behalf. Great tool. And also it does a lot of follow-ups inside of your Gmail as well. The fifth tool is Loom. Loom, I use Loom to create this video exactly right here. I use it more for communicating with my internal team. So if I need to quickly send instructions to my team, I just record it within 2 buttons. I record a video just like this, and I share my screen, and I talk about it, and once I click finish, it automatically creates a link, and I just Slack that link to my internal team. It makes it very easy to be able to provide very clear instructions because it's recording my screen and people can see my face. It allows me to give instructions really fast, straight to the point, and clearly explained to my team. So it's a great tool for that, for internal use. Yeah, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did get value, please like it and let me know below. And if you guys want 5 more, just comment 5 more, and I'll create a video for 5 more tools that I'll be able to use to automate your law firm. All right, talk to you guys soon.